Hello students, welcome back to our English grammar class. As we have already studied in previous session that verbs can be divided into two parts, action verbs and helping verbs. So today we will know about the action verbs. Here are forms of action verbs. Action verbs. There are two types of action verbs, regular verbs and second is irregular verbs. Action verbs can be divided into two parts, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs has only one type, by adding ed. By adding ed means regular verbs form their past tense and past participle by adding ed. And there are three types of irregular verbs. There are three types of irregular verbs. The first is three forms same. All of three forms are same. Second is two forms same. Two forms same. And third is all three forms are different. Okay, students? So, there are three forms of verb: base form, past tense and past participle. Base form we can generally say first form, past tense second form and past participle third form. Yes, I'll explain you. Action verbs can be classified as regular and irregular verbs. Action verbs can be classified as regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs. What are regular verbs? Regular verbs forms their past tense and past participle. Past tense means second form, past participle third form. Regular verbs form their past tense and past participle by adding ed to them. By adding ed to them. They are very easy to learn. Yes, here are some examples. Base form means first form. Past tense, second form. We can say past participle, third form. Yes, walk. It is the base form. Second form, walked. Past participle, third form, walked. We have add, you can say walk. We have add ed. Understood? Ed. Second example, play, played, played. Ask, asked, asked. Dance, danced, danced. Yes. In the fourth example, it has written already e. So, there is only single e. Okay. You have not to use double e. Dance, danced, danced. You will add only d in this form. Where the verb's last letter is already e, then you have not need to add them again ed. You have to remain only single e. So dance, danced, danced. Yes, second is irregular verbs. Irregular verbs can be divided into three forms. Irregular verbs can be divided into three types. Type 1. All three forms are the same. All three forms are the same, like base form, past tense and past participle. Yes, I'll show you. Cut, cut, cut. Hit, hit, hit. Bat, bat, bat. Shut, shut, shut. All three forms are the same. It is the first type of irregular verbs. Now second. Type second. Two forms are the same. Two forms are the same. It may be first or third and it may be second or third. Okay. First example. Sand, sand, sand. You can see second form and third form are the same. Come, came, come. Here are first and third form are same. Come, C-O-M-E, C-A-M-E and again C-O-M-E. Then first and third form are same. Mac, mad, mad. Here are second and third form are same. Win, won, won is the same. Won, won. Okay, students? So it is a type second. Two forms are the same. Now, third types of the irregular verbs. All three forms are different. All three forms are different. Yes. Let's show you example. Sing, sang, sung. Yes. You can see S-I-N-G, S-A-N-G and S-U-N-G. Sing, sang, sung. Take, took, taken. Drive. Yes. D-R-I-V-E. Drive. Drove. D-R-O-V-E. Drove. Driven. D-R-I-V-E-N. Okay. Drive, drove, driven. You will not use drive, drive, drived. Yes, that's wrong. It will be drive, drove, driven. Now fourth, do, did, done. Do, did, done. Fifth, go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. So in this type, all three forms are different. Okay, students. Now, here are some more irregular verbs. I'll explain you. Base form, past tense and past participle. Eat, ate, eaten. Drink, drank, drunk. Hide, hid, hidden. Ring, rang, rung. Bite, bit, bitten. Tell, told, told. Bring, brought, brought. Think, thought, thought. Heart, heart, heart. Begin, began, begun. Give, gave, given. Write, wrought, written. Break, broke, broken. Sit, sat, sat. Fight, fought, fought. So you have to, this is your homework, you have to write and learn these all forms. Okay. And you can find out some other forms if you can. Okay, students. Take care. Bye.